Hello friends, in the previous video as we have seen how to create an HTML form and save that HTML form data into the database using PHP. In this tutorial we will see how we have retrieved the data from the database into the browser. See here, the registration, one table. See, this information is displayed here. Let's see how we have done this using fetch query. Let's begin, friends. Query here, SQL is equal to select star from users. So this is the users table. Result is equal to mysql I query 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 of connection and SQL. Now by using while query we will print the is equal to mysql I fetch, so say value of result. Echo of, let's say, first name, row of, let's break this and see if it is coming correctly. Now if you refresh, there is a syntax error. So there was, see, first name and first name we have printed. So to print in a table format, what we'll do is table we have already closed it here, and tr td first name in the same way our last name, same way address. Okay, so let's open PHP. What we'll do here, echo tr echo td of this row close the td. In the same way copy last name and what we are getting is the address. We need to close the tr. Now let's see. So it is coming in the format, but we can add a border here to differentiate the columns. Oh, this is not for tr, this is for table, the whole table. See, so in this format we are retrieving all the data from the database. So in the next video, we will try to update the already existing data that was inserted in the database, and we'll update and we'll try to delete the record which we don't need. Let us add some sample data here. Let's see if it is adding up and showing in the user registered successfully, and the data is collected in the database and it is retrieving successfully. So in the next video, we'll try to update and delete the data from the by retrieving it from the database. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.